Hello, dear friends. Today I am presenting a video for 10 common birds which are flying surrounding us. It may be in the village or in the cities. All of you are requested to listen and continue, please. First, I explain about the crow. Crow, you see the crow. It is a crow. The crow is a common and clever bird. It is black in color and can be seen in both cities and villages. Crows move in groups to find food. Now I am going to second slide. Here you will see pigeon. It is a pigeon. The pigeon is a peaceful bird. It usually builds nests on rooftops or high places. They are often grey or white in color. Now I am going to third slide. You will see peacock. It is a peacock. The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Its long, colorful feathers amaze everyone. It dances beautifully before rain. Now I am going to fourth slide. Here you will see duck. It is a duck. The duck is a water bird. It floats on ponds and searches for food in water. People raise ducks for eggs and meat. Now I am going to fifth slide. Hen. It is a hen. The hen is a domestic bird. It lays eggs and it is easy to raise. Different types of hens are found in villages and farms. We eat its meat. Now I am going to next slide. Parrot. It is a parrot. The parrot is a beautiful and talking bird. It is green with a red beak. Parrots can mimic human speech. Now I am going to next slide. This is dove. It is a dove. The dove is a symbol of peace, usually white in color and gentle in nature. In the old days, doves were used to carry messages. Now I am going to next slide. Crane. It is a crane. The crane has long legs and a long neck. It stands in water and catches fish. Most cranes are white in color. I am going to next slide. Moina. You will see moina. It is a moina. The moina is found in both cities and villages. It can mimic human voices. It has yellow beak and legs. Now I am going to last slide. This is dove spotted. It is a dove spotted. The spotted dove makes a soft and sound. They usually stay in pairs and build nests on trees. Now I stop this video. Before this, I request all of you, please subscribe so that interest will be coming for this type of video. Lastly, I give to all of you with thanks. and namaskar.